In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the main table in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the official website of Monday.com. Once you reach the home page, look towards the upper right corner for the Login button. Click on that to begin the sign-in process. You'll have the option to sign in either using your Google account for quick access or by entering your registered email address if you have set up an account independently. After you enter your credentials and successfully log in, you'll find yourself in your project workspace. Now that you're in, your next step is to create a new board. To do this, look for a blue plus sign located on the left side of your screen. This is your gateway to opening the menu. Click on that sign, then select the New Board option. As prompted, enter a descriptive name for your project management structure. Make sure the name is clear and reflective of the project to help your team understand its purpose. After naming your board, you'll need to configure its settings. It's crucial to choose the appropriate privacy settings. Think about whether you want your board to be private, shared, or public. Additionally, select the specific board type that aligns best with your team's project needs, such as a task, project, or tracking board. Once that's done, you can click at the top of the newly created board to rename it or add a brief project description. Taking a moment to clarify the objective right at the beginning can foster better understanding and communication among your team members. Next, it's time to tailor your board to fit the unique demands of your project. You can edit the existing groups and columns to line them up with your specific project tasks and data requirements. This helps in organizing the board effectively so that everyone knows what tasks are required and what data is necessary. If your project is larger and requires more tailored sections, don't forget that you can click the Add New Group button. This allows you to expand your framework as needed and to accommodate all elements of your project without confusion. Another important tip is to customize the colors of each group to enhance visibility and organization for all team collaborators. By assigning different colors to groups, you create a visual distinction that makes it easier for team members to navigate and locate their tasks quickly. Once everything is set, you'll find that your main table is organized and ready to help synchronize your team's efforts. That's it. You've now learned how to use the main table in Monday.com effectively. I hope these steps will assist you in optimizing your project management experience, ensuring that your team stays on track and organized. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Happy project managing!